This is Shebli Atrash from the Levine Cancer Institute, Charlotte, North Carolina. I will be presenting the results from the optimization of Modakafusp Alfa in patients with relapsed refractory multiple myeloma. Modakafusp Alfa is an attenuated anti-CD38, attenuated interferon alpha moiety attached to anti-CD38 monoclonal antibody. The drug aims at activating the adaptive and innate immune system to fight multiple myeloma. We recently published the results of phase 1 trial. At that trial, we identified 2 doses of interest to proceed with phase 2, 3 milligrams per kilogram and 1.5 milligrams per kilogram, which translates to 120 milligrams, fixed dose, or 240 milligrams fixed dose of Modakafusp Alfa, which was used for the randomization for phase 2. The trial was randomized 1-to-1. The primary endpoint was overall response rate. So in terms of overall response rates, we have patients were enrolled pentarefractory, were enriched in pentarefractory patients, and a lot of patients had progression even after CAR-T, BCMA CAR-T treatments. So those are a population that has unmet need and with no other options available as standard of care. In terms of response in the 120 milligrams arm, we show response rates close to 30%. And in the 240 milligrams arm, the overall response rate is about 40%, a little bit above 40%. The drug was effective. Most of the significant side effects were related hematological side effects, very manageable. Most significantly was thrombocytopenia. Non-hematological side effects were fatigue and mild cough, but overall there was not a big signal for infections, especially in those patients with a new surge of immune therapies, infections becoming more of a highlight for those patients who get BCMA treatments. With this drug, we did not see much infections. In terms of subset analyses, the drug showed about overall response rate about a little bit less than 30% for patients after CAR-T BCMA, and the same thing for patients with pentarefractory disease. We enrolled a total of 146 patients, so a little bit more than 70 patients in each arm. The overall conclusion from the trial that the drug is effective and it shows early signal of response. However, we could not finish the trial as the funding was stopped for business reasons. We look forward for future trials on this drug that could carry it forward across the finish line for FDA approvals.